Well, good morning, y'all. Hope you're all having a very blessed Saturday. Today's been a very busy day for the old Papa Bear. I got up and I was just on the go. Be honest with you, I was up early and my back was screaming at me, my legs were screaming at me, and so I was like, I think I'll just get up and get motivated. That's the only way to help ease the pain. Look at that beautiful bowl of fruit right there. Look at that. All natural fruit. Oh. So anyways, I hope you're all having a very grateful Saturday. Sun is shining. It is a little chilly here in Ohio. That's right. The Ohio. Yeah. Representing there. But anyways. Yeah, I got up, finished up packing up the garden, closing down the patio, putting the tarps up, and spraying off the patio from the summer and for the fall time, and drained the hoses and packed it all up. And hopefully the next time I unpack all that garden stuff will be over at our new home. Cross fingers. That's what I'm praying for. But yeah, so I got up and did that, made the bed, and vacuumed the house after I got done with the garden. Now I'm just sitting down here getting ready to watch Invasion. Have you ever seen that show? It's on Apple TV. It's pretty interesting show. It's kind of a sci-fi show, so if you're not into sci-fi, you might not be into it, but it's a pretty decent show. You might want to check it out if you got Apple TV. I don't usually like to endorse Apple. I'm just not a big Apple person. But yeah, so today's just been a beautiful day. Like I said, it was really chilly today. We started out with 22 degrees here in Ohio. Yikes! 22 in November. Wow. Wonder what January is going to hold. Yeah. Yep, I wonder what January is going to hold. Or even February. Hell, maybe even December we'll have a white Christmas. Oh, wouldn't that be magical? Now, we did get one last year. Okay, it was sort of... Yeah, it was Christmas. It was beautiful. But anyways, I hope you're all having a grateful weekend. Be safe, whatever you do. Be groovy. Show the positive vibes of Jesus Christ. And share the love with your fellow man. Because we're all going through this crazy world together. And so we might as well spread the love of peace and happiness to each and one of us. It's the only way it can be done. It can be contagious, man. Power to the people. Right on? Right on. Alright, well, this is your old Papa Bear. I know you was hoping to see me, but I just decided to show you a bowl of beautiful fruit that I'm about to have my breakfast here. And so, yeah, I love you. Jesus loves you. My family loves you. So thank you for supporting this channel, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. Peace! See you on the next video. And make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like. Alright? Carmen says she loves y'all.